Hey everybody, it's Jeanette here at TradeThirsty, and I'm coming at you live from the ATL. I'm on my girls' weekend. We do it once a year. All my sorority sisters from college, Kappa Delta, that's who we are. So I want to talk a little bit about BMNR. Okay, we've been talking about it regularly, but I want to do more of a little bit of a deep dive here to kind of explain to you where my thinking in. Okay, so first of all, let's reset the foundation. BMNR isn't mining ETH per se. Its core move lately has been pivoting toward accumulating and staking ETH. Okay, so using capital markets to build a massive ETH treasury. Like last I heard, 2 million. They had 2 million coins. So its upside and its downside is now tightly tied to what ETH does. ETH is Ethereum, of course, the crypto. So now, from a technical perspective, here's where things got interesting. On the upside, resistance zones to watch are in the 58 to 60 range in BMNR. And, we are long from the 53 area. And I think it closed on Friday, somewhere around the 56 area. So first target on that right now is going to be around $60. So there are some reports that flag $58 as a level where selling pressure is going to kick in. So I'm going to be keeping a really solid look on that. On the downside, we're talking about support around 50 to 52. So, of course, that $47 level that it dropped to right after we got in, I'm going to be looking at that as well. All right. So if BMNR can break 58, it opens the door for a push toward 60 resistance. Okay. But if it fails that test and falls below 5150, we risk slipping back to the 50 area. Lower than that, ETH's strength will be the wind at its back, and ETH's weakness will drag it down. So I'm watching both. I'll put it on here on the chart for you to show you all the buy and the sell signals. And I put ETH on top of BMNR. So let me try to stretch this out a little bit. This thing's been acting funny, so may not be able to. Okay. Just going to let it be. This. Okay. All right, so I put them on top of each other. So ETH is this blue line right here, okay? And BMNR is this chart right here. So if you look at them, they are very congruent in movement, very congruent in the dips. And the more stake BMNR takes in ETH, moving away from Bitcoin into ETH, the bigger congruency you're going to see here. They are totally tied together. We're looking for those levels. Remember, above here, we got to get above 60. We'll see if we can hold right here at this 56, 57 level. Below 50, then 47. All bets are off to the long side if we break 47. I'm Jeanette Sims, and I'll see you on the next one.